Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize font style to match your preference on Android. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to display and brightness. From here, you can able to see the option of font style. Press on this. Now you can see two options, default and classic font. If you want to choose classic font, you just have to click on classic font and press on apply. Or if you want to choose default option, you have to select default and press on apply. That's it. So this is how to customize font style to match your preference on Android. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.